Welcome to Agribusiness Development Farming video. Here is Hunufa Agro Farm. Dr. A.M.A. Jalil is the owner of this farm. His son Mr. Hasanuzzaman Sobuj is a caretaker of it. Viewers, in our country, after obtaining high education, many young guys are going to seek several jobs. But this guy, Muhammad Hasanuzzaman Sobuj, is more interested to create a farm than seeking a job. From him, we know that his father also had a dream to create an integrated farm like this. So, after getting bachelor degree from Stanford University and MPhil degree from State University Dhaka, he started his farm in 2015. In his integrated farm, there is a cow shed in which there are 25 cows, fisheries farm, pigeon farm and a goat farm. In today's video, I'm gonna share a few tips on some of you aspiring goat owners because there are so many people out there that are considering getting into this world of raising goats, and I have learned a few tips along the way and I want to share that with you today. Viewers, today's video, this Mr. Hasanuzzaman told us about his goat farm. It is very surprising that 1.5 years ago, Mr. Hasanuzzaman started his goat farm only with 2 goats. Of course, in this period, he also bought another 7 goats. Now in his farm, there are 43 goats, of which 25 are female goats, 16 are castrated goats and others 2 are male goats. From classical antiquity, we know that goat symbolizes the horn of plenty, which means abundance of something. So, when we knew about the goat farm of Mr. Hasanuzzaman, this classical antiquity belief becomes more clear. From this point, Mr. Hasanuzzaman said that if one has 40 female goats, then after 1 year his farm becomes turned into 140 to 150 more youngling. There are so many different breeds of goats out there that serve different purposes. But in Bangladesh, locally called the Black Bengal breed is popular because of its production rate and adaptation with the weather. This breed produces babies twice a year. Many goat farm owners put their goats in the high stage of a roof because goats always need a dry place. So they make this high stage with bamboo or wood. But Mr. Hasanuzzaman interestingly take his own technique to put his goat in this way. Really, it is a very creative technique, I think. According to him, to maintain a goat farm, a owner may face PPR disease of goat. Another disease is flatulence, which is caused by eating disorder food habit. So time to time, food supply is necessary for creating a healthy goat farm. Another consciousness is needed in rainy season. In this season, whole day the goats must put in the room because the body of goat is familiar with bloodsucker. If the body of goat is wet, the bloodsucker can easily inject its body. About food, he said that usually he feeds his goats a mixture of grass, wheat, husk and straw twice a day. Last of all, he said that educated persons should easily enter the agricultural sector like goat farm and fisheries farm. According to him, in these 2 sectors, one has little possibility of loss. Viewers, inspired by Mr. Hasanuzzaman, finally I will advise the interested person to leave the city and get out into the rural area and buy a piece of property and some land and start a small farm or a homestead or whatever it is, just to get away from that urban city life, and goats are great to start so. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment below. I may start a little series on goat care and goat maintenance and things like that. To stay with us, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.